Hello guys, most welcome to Bindu Study Guide. I am Mr. Mandal to teach today history about non-cooperation movement and the rebellious activities during the non-cooperation movement in countryside. In my previous video you have got that the non-cooperation movement was started in 1921 and its some revolutionary activities especially in the countryside area of Awadh, Andhra Pradesh and Assam. Today I will discuss first of all the non-cooperation movements in Awadh regions. Here the movement was organized by Baba Ramchand. The name is very important for your examinations also. Baba Ramchand. And the main issue in Awadh was the peasants' problem, that is problems relating to the farmers. The revenues and taxes were increased on the peasant classes. They did not have the right on the land. The tenant were sufferers in the hand of the landlord, that is Jomindars and Talukdar. As a result, the peasant of Awadh, under the leadership of Baba Ramchandra, along with the guide of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who visited the villages of Awadh in 1920 and he shared the grievance of the villagers, and immediately with the help of the local leaders and the efficient organizational capacities of Baba Ramchandra, the Awadh Kisan Sabha was organized, and within a very short period of time 300 branches were expanded of these Kisan Sabhas, and the peasants class, they start revolutionary activities attacking the house of the Jamindars, Talukdars, and sometimes they also attacked the government storehouse in Bazaar or market areas. Side by side, the peoples like barbers, that is Nai, and washermen, they also started strike, that is Bandh, and in response to the rebellious activities, the peoples of different class and sections in rural areas of Awadh comes ahead to make the movement successful. Next, we will discuss the rebellious activities in the Gudem Hill of Andhra Pradesh. The name is very important. Gudem Hill areas in Andhra Pradesh, and they organized a guerrilla militant movement under the leadership of Eluri Sitaram Raju. The name is very important. Eluri Sitaram Raju. He was just like a incarnation in the peoples, among the peoples of Andhra Pradesh, especially in Gudem Hill areas. The people, that is the tribal class residing in the Gudem Hill areas, were deprived of their traditional right, their right to livelihood using the resource in forest area, especially for the purpose of collecting wood, grazing animals, domestic animals, and according to the forest law started by the British government, they were engaged and start a guerrillas movement under the effective leadership of Eluri Sitaram Raju. Name is very important for the purpose of your examinations. Eluri Sitaram Raju. And Raju was considered their popular leaders because of his some special capacity and quality. He could tell about futures correctly. Then among the people, it was believed about Raju that he could proof the bullet and so many magical powers. That's why he was regarded as the incarnations in South India, that is in the regions of the Andhra Pradesh as well as Gudem Hill. Last, the most important countryside rebellion was in Assam regions. In Assam, you know, the northeast areas. Assam is one most famous state in India because of its tea productions as well as tea estate. Here, according to the Indian Immigration Act of 1859, the owners of the tea estate never allowed the plantations worker to visit their homes, and they are just like serf. As a result, the people in local areas start their movement with the guidelines of the Gandhian principles, and they start Swatantrata movement. They raise the slogans that the Gandhi eras and Gandhism's ideas will bring the Swatantrata, that is Swaraj. And here it is mentionable that the Swaraj of these tea plantations worker was the freedoms of movement, that is they should be granted to visit their home when they required, but the tea owners and the colonial government, they were not granted this provision. Besides, their wages problems and sometimes the beggars, which was also practiced in the Awadh regions areas. Now the movement, though started in the local areas, now it was linked to the national level under the banners of the Indian National Congress. So these three important areas today we have discussed, that is revolutionary activities in Awadh, then the rebellious militant agitations in the Gudem areas of Andhra Pradesh, and lastly the Assam tea plantations workers and their revolutionary activities under the guidelines or idealisms of Mahatma Gandhi's. After these three regions, in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh, there was one violence which is popularly known as the Chauri Chaura incident, which was occurred on 5th February of 1922, where 22 policemen were burnt alive by the angry people. As a result, Mahatma Gandhi were very much surprised at this incident, because in his principle, that is principles of the non-violence, there is no place of violent activities like the burning of policemen alive. That's why Mahatma Gandhi decided to stop the movement, to suspend the movement, and to train off in a proper ways for the future revolutions, future movement. So he stopped the movement and engaged himself, and his idea was to achieve the independence, a mass educations, nationwide revolutions and movement should be prepared. In this way, the revolutionary activities, that is violent activities during the non-cooperation movement, was stopped by suspending movement. Hopes today you have got some important message about the rebellious activities during non-cooperation movement, and regarding these discussions, on the basis of this discussion, you should know some important questions like the name of the important leaders of non-cooperation movement in Awadh. The answers will be Baba Ramchandra. And in South India, that is in Andhra Pradesh, the rebellious leaders' important names is Eluri Sitaram Raju, and his areas of the work is Gudem Hill, that is the tribal community. And in the northeast, that is plantations in Assam, the movement was in the workers of the tea estate. So that's enough for today. Have a good scholastic times ahead. Please subscribe my channels if you like it. Thank you very much.